Hello and welcome to NCBI Labs. If you're a fan of audiobooks, well, our recent discussion on the EasyReader app will have caught your interest. Here's JP Corcoran to talk about some of the features of that app.
Hello everyone and welcome to this NCBI Labs video demonstration. So today we are going to look at using the Dolphin EasyReader app with VoiceOver on an iPad to access books from the NCBI Overdrive and Bookshare Ireland digital libraries. For anyone unfamiliar with it, Dolphin EasyReader is a free, accessible reading app designed for readers with low vision, blindness or dyslexia. It is available on iOS and Android. It hosts accessible collections from libraries across the world and gives users in Ireland instant access to quite literally hundreds of thousands of books available from NCBI Overdrive and Bookshare Ireland. The books are available in a range of accessible formats including audio, EPUB, Word, PDF, DAISY audio and Braille-ready files. So what this means is that readers with a vision impairment can expand the text on their screens, adjust colour and contrast settings, while readers who are blind can access audio MP3 recordings, Braille-ready files, as well as DAISY audiobooks. What's more, EasyReader is fully accessible with VoiceOver and TalkBack, which are the built-in screen readers on iOS and Android devices, and it's supported by refreshable Braille displays. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I need to do is to download and install the Dolphin EasyReader app on my iPad. Let's go to the App Store.
App Store. App Store. Search DOLPHIN space EASY Dolphin EasyReader button. Filters. Re-download button. Loading.
Okay, so now the app is
0%. 25%. 54%. 76%. Open. Filters button. EasyReader. Welcome to EasyReader, the accessible reading app for people with dyslexia, blindness or low vision.
Okay, so now with the app installed and opened, the next thing I need to do is to sign into my account. So I'm going to swipe right to skip the welcome message.
Skip button. Skip. Dolphin
I'm going
button.
to swipe up to Dolphin button. I'm going to double tap this.
Email text field.
And from here, I'm going to enter
Text
my details.
field is JP full stop CORCORAN at NCBI full stop IE. Password secure text field. Insertion point at end.
Okay, so now I've entered my email address. I'll swipe right to enter my password, and I'm going to swipe right again to go to login.
Login button.
Double tap.
Alert. Login successful.
Okay, so I'm logged in.
You are now logged into EasyReader. Okay.
Okay, so when I sign
Search
in,
field.
I'm taken straight into the My Book screen. So to access NCBI Overdrive and Bookshare Ireland from here, I need to find the side menu button on the top left-hand corner of the screen and double tap to open the menu.
Side menu. My books button.
From here I can view my books,
Manage
manage
libraries.
libraries. If I double tap on this,
Manage libraries. Heading.
I can view libraries that I'm connected with, or that I could connect with.
Bookshare Ireland. NCBI Overdrive.
Okay, so swiping right and left, I can go to different libraries.
NCBI and Deslesen. B. NCBI Bookshare Ireland. Side menu.
Okay.
Manage libraries.
Now, I know that I'm connected to both libraries, but what I need to do next is to sign in. So I need to sign into the NCBI Overdrive library.
NCBI
Swipe right,
Overdrive.
double tap.
NCBI Overdrive. Image.
Swipe right
Manage
again.
username. Text
enter
field.
my username and password.
Text field is editing. Username. Character 1 8 0 2 3.
Swipe right to password.
Password. Secure insertion point at end.
Swipe right to login.
Login button. Waiting for NCBI Overdrive. Heading.
Okay, so now I'm connected to the NCBI Overdrive service. I can start browsing and downloading titles. Just a bit of information about how to access this. If you don't have a Dolphin account already, you'll need to contact the NCBI library to provide you with one. Alternatively, if you are registered with the NCBI, you can contact your local community resource worker and they can make a referral to the library on your behalf. If you're using Bookshare, you can access Bookshare going on to www.bookshare.ie, and from here you can complete an online form. It doesn't take more than about 5 or 10 minutes to do. And from there you will be given access details for Bookshare. Okay, so we're in NCBI Overdrive at the moment. If we swipe right, we can search for titles.
Search field.
Search field, so we can search for titles of books, authors, etc. We can view checkouts.
Checkouts.
Swiping right again, new releases.
New releases.
And most popular.
Most popular.
So let's try this. We go to most popular books. Double tap.
Show results in most.
We swipe
Susan's
right.
Diary for Nicholas.
We
James
can view different
Patterson.
books available.
Susan's Diary. Kiss the Girls. James Pat is for Alibi. Drink with the book information. Is it me? Terry
We can use
Wogan.
Explore by touch as well. So I found a book that I'd like to download. So Is It Me by Terry Wogan, an autobiography. I'm going to double tap the screen.
Is it
From
me?
here, I can swipe right to borrow the book. I can preview, open up a preview of the book, or I can get a summary of the book if I swipe right again. So swiping right, borrow,
Borrow. Button. Preview. Button.
and
Terry Wogan is
summary.
one of Britain's best loved radio and television celebrities.
So I'm going to swipe up to borrow,
Preview. Borrow.
double
Button.
tap.
Please wait.
That
NCBI Overdrive.
That book is
Heading.
down into my checkouts.
Checkouts.
I swipe down to checkouts.
Show results in checkouts. Is it me? Wogan.
There's the
Terry.
book.
Audio.
And what I want to do is to download this book.
Is it me? Wogan. Download.
Swiping right to
Button.
download. Double tap.
Abort download. Button.
If I swipe right here, it will
24% downloaded.
tell me how far along the download it is at the moment. Okay, just a point here with NCBI Overdrive.
67% downloaded. 78% downloaded. 95% downloaded. Open.
Book is
button.
ready. With NCBI Overdrive, generally speaking, books are more suited to leisure readers, so they're all audio books. Probably slightly different to Bookshare, where books are more tailored for people in education and academia. So now that this book is now downloaded, I'm going to open it with a double tap.
Open. Play.
And I can play the book here.
Garden is Ireland's prettiest village, and Wicklow the Garden of Ireland. Unfortunately, you can't eat the scenery. And times were hard for young Michael Thomas and his family, of an elder brother, 2 older sisters, a mother.
Okay, so I'll stop the book here. Books are available, that you download are available for up to 14 days with NCBI Overdrive, so you do need to return them. You can return the books early if you wish. So that's NCBI Overdrive. Let's check out Bookshare Ireland now. So we go back up to the menu on the top left of the screen, menu button,
Side menu. Button.
double tap,
My books.
and we'll swipe down
Button.
to Bookshare Ireland,
Manage NCBI Bookshare Ireland.
double tap.
Bookshare Ireland.
Let's sign in.
Image. Username. Text field. Is editing. J. P. Full C. O. R. C. O. R. A. N. At. N. C. B. I. Full stop. I. E.
Swipe right to password.
Password. Secure insertion point at end.
Swipe right to login.
Login. Button. Waiting for. Bookshare Ireland. Heading.
Okay, so now I'm connected to Bookshare Ireland. So I can start downloading books on this service. Slightly different to Overdrive insofar as when you download a book on Bookshare, it's yours for as long as you wish. So you can see how this could be really helpful for students, for example, who may want to access certain school or college books over, it could be several years. So let's try downloading a book here in Bookshare. I'm going to swipe down to categories.
My reading lists. Latest. Categories. Australiana. Biography. Business and finance.
Let's go down to cooking, food and wine.
Cooking. Food and wine.
Double tap.
Show results in cooking. Hot damn and hell yeah. Ryan Splint.
Okay, plenty of books to choose from, but I'm going to go up to the search bar.
Search field. Search
And I'm going to
field
search for a book
is
I want.
editing. K-A-M-I-E space O-L-I-V-E-R.
Okay, so here's a book by Chef Jamie Oliver. I'm going to see if I can download this book here. Swipe right,
Jamie's Food Revolution. Rediscover.
and I'm going to swipe right to download.
Jamie's Food Revolution. Rediscover how to cook. Jamie Oliver. Download. Abort download. Button. Open.
Download
button.
is complete. Okay, so I'm going to open this, what's called an EPUB or electronic publication file.
Open. Button. Loading. Text field. Introduction.
Now, I can play
Heading
this book
level
by
1.
pressing the play button on the bottom center of the screen.
Play.
Introduction. Hi guys, I'd like to ask you a favor. I need your help with a food movement I've started. On the surface it...
Okay, so you'll hear straight away that that is a synthetic speech, succinct from the Overdrive service where we heard the book being narrated. Okay, great features here available in Bookshare. Moving around the screen, we can add bookmarks.
Bookmarks. Button.
Swiping right, we can go over to check the change the text
Text settings.
settings.
Button.
So from here, for example, we
Text
can change
130%.
text size.
Adjustable.
Swiping right,
135%.
then we can go to 135%, 140%,
140%. 145%. 135%.
So it's very, very customizable, this app. We can change text color,
Text color. Background color.
background color,
White.
etc. I'm going to close this here.
Close.
There's also the
Side
option,
menu. Audio settings.
swiping right
Button.
again, go to audio settings. From here,
Audio settings.
we can choose
Heading.
our
Voice.
pronunciation,
Pronunciation.
plenty of options to choose
Close.
from here. Okay,
Side menu. Button.
okay, so let's go back to the home screen.
App Store.
So guys, that's a very broad overview of how the Dolphin EasyReader app can be used to access books from the NCBI Overdrive and Bookshare Ireland digital libraries. As we can see, it's quick and easy to set up, and I hope you will agree straightforward to use. I'd certainly really recommend you give it a try. So finally, just a reminder, if you would like to start browsing and downloading books on the EasyReader app yourself, you can contact the NCBI Library for assistance on 01 864 2266, or you can email library@ncbi.ie. Thanks very much for watching.
Thanks very much, JP, for taking us through the features of the EasyReader app. Now, if you want to check out more interviews and how-to videos and even discussion about current technology, just look for the NCBI channel and be sure to subscribe if you enjoy these videos. But for now, until next time, this is NCBI Labs.